This is a double crochet stitch known as the treble crochet in UK terminology. We begin with a foundation chain. I've made a chain of 4. We want to bring our work up to the height of the stitch. For a double crochet, we make a chain of 3. To chain, we yarn over and pull it through the loop on our hook. These 3 chain stitches count as our first double crochet. The 4th chain is the last stitch from the previous row. So we want to put our next stitch into the 5th chain from the hook. Remember, we don't count the loop on the crochet hook as a stitch. We yarn over, so we have 2 loops on our hook. We insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that's our first double crochet stitch. On to the next stitch, we yarn over, insert our hook into the chain stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. We yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. On to the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. To bring our work up to the next row, we make a chain of 3. And we turn our work. We will be working our next row of stitches into the tops of the stitches from the previous row. You can see where it makes these V's from the top, and you can see the holes between the stitches from the side. The chain 3 counts as our first stitch, so we put our next stitch into the 2nd stitch along. So we yarn over, into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Into the next stitch, yarn over, put our hook through the stitch, yarn over and pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. The last stitch in the row goes into the top stitch of the chain 3 from the previous row. We yarn over, into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. We continue our work in the same way, beginning with a chain of 3, that chain counting as the first stitch in each round. We then continue to double crochet into the tops of the stitches of the previous row. At the end of each row, we put our final stitch into the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. Don't forget this step because your work will come out wonky. And that is a double crochet, also known as the treble crochet in UK terminology.